Alright, so this is some Petrus example solves. Make some noise in the background because my window is open, so the pressure adjusts my door. My door will keep opening and closing slightly, and there's people outside, so there's gonna be some yelling. Other than that, should be fine. So, first scramble, they'll all be in the description, but so. Okay, so right off the bat, I notice this, and this are all in relatively close proximity to each other, so I can do R2, U2, D, and make a pair in this. So then I can just do Y, R, U, B prime, which will solve that. And this back is not great here, so I'm going to solve it in the front here, because this is all really nice and close together. So I'll do just, like the beginner's insert there to pair up. Down wedge, L2, U, L2. Solve the 2 3 block. R, U2, R2, F2, R to solve EO. And then I've got pairs, so I can insert this and do a pair. I can build some blocks. And in this situation, I'm going to go on a limb and say that I can pair this up pretty easily and solve this. So R2, U, make the pair, insert the edge, and the pair. And this is just R, U2, R prime, U2, and insert. Opposite and same colors means I have opposite anti-soon, which is just RUR, which is just yay, anti-soon, undo yay, and H firm. Next scramble. Okay, wow, so right off the bat again, there's some easy blocks right here. So I've got a pair here and an edge here, and the other edges right here, so I can do R prime, F, R prime, U, B prime, D to solve that. And then right here's where my next one would be. See, I can do U, F2, which will pair it up. U prime, F2, U, L prime, U2, L, or L prime, which will solve the block. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So R, U prime, R2, F prime, R, which solves this pair in turn. So U prime, R. And this one I can do R prime, or actually I cannot do that, I lied. So I'm just going to pair it up with an insert here. I think, I do not know the ZBLL, I don't think. I think it's soon, and yeah, no. Yeah, I don't remember it, so it's going to be the COL, U prime, U prime. Another not awful one. So I've got this pair here. The edge is right here, and the green edge is right here. So I can do, let's see, so I could build the, yeah, that worked. So I'm going to build the orange, blue, yellow block back here first with U, F, L. And the reason I did the square first, just so that way when I go on ahead and do B prime, D, F, D, B, and I do M prime, U to M, D, U, it's right there. It's not really efficient, but it's finger trickable. So I've got the same EO cases I had on solve 1 or solve 2, I can't remember which at this point, but it's R, U2, R2, F2, R. I've got a pair solved here, so R, U prime, R, U, R, and I can just insert this. And the ZBLL is that. Okay. Again, not an awful block. I've got a square. I've got a thing here I can do probably something with. But as I look further at it, there's not really a great place because the edge is right here, which is kind of a not a great spot for. So I can go on ahead and I can build the red square here, or the red block here, red, green, and white, or I can build the green, orange, white back here, or I could do both. So believe by pairing this up with beginner and inserting back here, it should preserve this. Yep, it did preserve it, which then I can solve by doing that. So let's pairing up. I've got 2 and 2, so that's going to be L prime U, L2, F, L prime. U prime R2, U prime R, which solves the back block. And this one I'm gonna actually do a high style last slot last layer, just kind of, just because it's a bit more efficient, and it's actually an easy one that I actually recognize right away, so I can just calm, but okay. Alright, so got a couple things I can do. I have these three here, which are, I got a pair, and these two edges, which are unfortunately in a not great spot. I've got this pair, the edge here, and the other edge here, which is again not a great spot, but this one's a little bit easier to do. So R, U prime, R, U2, R, then I can do B, D, F2, solves that a lot easier. And this actually is a really easy one, so the way I do this, I do R, U, R2, F2, R2, F prime, R prime to solve it. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges, so R, U, R2, F, and then LUL to solve. Pair up, insert that in the process, and I guess technically a PLL, but it's also CVLL.